Rapid fire time. So just a yes or a no. So let's go. The first question is, you have said yes to an investment, but based purely on your gut feeling.
Yes.
Does that happen? Okay. You've passed on a deal and later regretted it
Yes.
multiple times then.
Yes.
You'd rather back a technical founder than a business savvy one?
Not really.
Okay. Startups should bootstrap as long as they can.
No.
Do you believe in a founder-investor friendship?
Yes.
Belgium is underrated as a startup ecosystem.
Yes, definitely.
Do you still get nervous before big talks or
Yes,
interviews?
definitely.
Okay. You would do another tech startup from scratch one day?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. And there will be maybe a second book?
Yes.